Do you know how to evolve Dreepy into the competitive Drakloak or Dragapult? Frankly, if you are a loyal fan of the game, please don't miss out on this video with great tips on this topic. Part 2. What level does Dreepy or Drakloak evolve in Pokemon Sword? Drakloak evolves through game upgrade, not evolution stones. To get Dragapult, Dreepy evolves into Drakloak at level 50, then into Dragapult at level 60. Part 3. Where to find Dreepy in Pokemon Sword and Shield. 1. Unlock Rotom Bike Surf Mod. 2. Finish Sirchester Gym, explore Route 9. Dreepy location. In Pokemon Sword or Shield. Wild areas northwest or Lake of Outrage. Cross River, use Pokeballs. Level up via battles. Part 4. How to get or catch Dreepy in Pokemon Sword and Shield. 1. Bike to wild area. Find Dreepy with red exclamation. 2. Weaken with status effects, then use Pokeball. 3. Day, Ultra Balls, Night, Dusk Balls. Buy in bulk for quick Dragapult evolution. Part 5. How to evolve Dreepy into Drakloak and Dragapult. Catch Dreepy, evolves to Drakloak at 50, Dragapult at 60, learns moves at 48, 63, 78. Use Adamant Nature, breed with Ditto for high IVs abilities. Create a strong Dragapult for battles. Part 6. How to evolve Drakloak in Pokemon Sword and Shield. Dreepy, Drakloak rare, Drakloak 2% in thunderstorms, 1% overcast at Lake of Outrage, 1-2 at levels 55-58. Also in wild area. Evolve Dreepy with 25 candies. Gain 10 levels for Dragapult.